Okay, let's take a look at the directed reading A for Chapter 1, Section 1 on minerals. What is a mineral? Remember, as you go through, you can write in notes. You should be correcting every problem, whether it's right or wrong, putting a mark on every problem, different color. And if there's things that I say that you want to write in as notes, that's a good idea too. So number one, what is a mineral? It's a naturally formed inorganic solid that has a definite crystalline structure. Two, which of the following is not a characteristic of a mineral? That's D. It's found in a laboratory because minerals are always naturally formed. So if it's formed in a laboratory, that would mean that it's man-made. Three is B, an atom, the smallest part of an element that has all the properties of that element. It's an atom. Four is C, element, a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. So for example, hydrogen or oxygen are elements, or carbon, silicon. Five is D, a substance made of two or more elements that have been chemically bonded. That's D, that's compound. Six is A, crystal, and seven is E, native element. Seven for native elements, a lot of times we just call that a pure element. So if it's just like if you have a sample that's all gold, it's pure gold, that would be a native element. The two groups of minerals are either silicates or non-silicates. And anything that contains silicon and oxygen, we call those silicates. Silicate minerals are the main component of most rocks on Earth is feldspar. Feldspar is a mineral that's in many, many rocks. Mica is another mineral that's a silicate. And 12 is quartz. And that's in a lot of rocks too. It's a mineral that's in a lot of rocks, quartz. 13 is E, sulfates. 14 is A, native element. 15 is F, sulfides. 16 is B, carbonates. 17 is D, oxides. 18 is C, halides. All right, make sure you mark all the correct and incorrect answers on your page, and maybe even write in some notes.